Have you ever heard the saying, all disease begins in the gut? These were the words of Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, spoken over 2,000 years ago. And today, modern science is finally catching up to what he already knew, that your gut is not just about digesting food. It is the very foundation of your health. Here's something that may surprise you. Over 100 trillion microorganisms live inside your gut right now. That's more than 10 times the number of human cells in your entire body. Collectively, these microbes form what we call the gut microbiome, a vast community of bacteria, fungi, and other tiny organisms that work silently every single day to keep you alive and well. Why is this important? Because about 70 to 80% of your immune system is located in your gut. That means the strength of your immunity, your energy levels, your mood, and even your weight are all closely tied to how healthy your gut is. Scientists now refer to the gut as the second brain because it communicates constantly with your nervous system, influencing the way you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. But here's the problem. Modern lifestyles are working against us. Processed foods, refined sugars, artificial additives, stress, lack of sleep, and overuse of antibiotics are destroying this delicate balance in the gut. When that balance tips in the wrong direction, harmful bacteria begin to take over. This can lead to what's known as gut dysbiosis, a state where the good bacteria are outnumbered by the bad. What does that look like in everyday life? It can show up as constant bloating, indigestion, unexplained fatigue, skin breakouts, low immunity, and even anxiety or depression. For many people, these issues are treated as separate problems, when in reality, the root cause often lies in the gut. But here's the good news. Your gut has an incredible ability to heal itself, and one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to do this is through the drinks you consume every single day. You see, while food certainly plays a major role in gut health, liquids have a unique advantage. They move through your digestive system quickly, delivering nutrients and beneficial compounds directly to the areas where healing is needed most. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in today's video. I'll be sharing with you 5 natural drinks that can repair, soothe, and restore balance to your gut. These aren't expensive supplements or complicated diets. They are simple, natural remedies that have been used for generations, and now modern research is proving just how effective they really are. So if you've been struggling with poor digestion, low energy, or just a feeling that something is off in your body, this video is for you. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could truly change the way you think about your health. But before we begin, let me pause for a moment to say a warm welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad you're here with us today, taking time to invest in your health and well-being. If you're new, you've just joined a community of people who believe in natural healing and simple lifestyle changes that make a world of difference. Now let's begin our journey with the very first drink that can heal your gut naturally. 1. Bone broth, the ancient gut healer. If there is one drink that has stood the test of time, it is bone broth. Our ancestors prepared it not just for flavor, but for healing. Almost every culture has its own version, whether it's chicken soup in the West, beef broth in Asia, or fish broth in coastal regions. And modern science is finally confirming what tradition always knew. Bone broth is deeply restorative for the gut. So why is it so powerful? When bones are simmered slowly for hours, sometimes even days, they release a wealth of nutrients into the liquid. You end up with a broth that is rich in collagen, gelatin, amino acids like glutamine, and essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Now think of your intestinal lining as a protective wall. Over time, stress, poor diet, and toxins can create tiny cracks in this wall. This is what many health experts call leaky gut syndrome. Through those cracks, food particles and toxins slip into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation, allergies, and even autoimmune reactions. Bone broth acts like a natural sealant. It contains gelatin and glutamine that help repair and strengthen the gut lining. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology showed that glutamine, one of the key compounds in bone broth, plays a major role in reducing gut inflammation and repairing intestinal tissues. That means it doesn't just soothe your digestion, It can prevent future flare-ups as well. And there's more. The gelatin in bone broth improves the way food moves through your intestines, reducing problems like constipation or bloating. Many people find that a warm cup of broth before a meal helps prime their digestion, allowing nutrients to be absorbed more efficiently. One of the best parts is that bone broth is incredibly versatile. You can sip it plain like a warm tea, use it as a base for soups, or cook your grains and vegetables in it to give meals a gut-healing boost. It's gentle, nourishing, and suitable for almost everyone, even those with sensitive digestion. So if you want a drink that doesn't just comfort but actively repairs your body from within, bone broth is a wonderful place to start. Next on our list is kefir, often called the champagne of dairy because of its light fizz and tangy taste. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Kefir is one of the most powerful probiotic drinks you can consume for gut health. While yogurt has long been known for its probiotic benefits, kefir goes a step further. It can contain up to 30 different strains of beneficial bacteria and yeasts. This diversity makes kefir a true powerhouse when it comes to restoring balance in your gut microbiome. Think of your gut as a garden. The beneficial bacteria are like flowers, while harmful bacteria are like weeds. If the weeds overgrow, the flowers struggle to survive. Kefir works like a gardener. It plants more healthy bacteria, crowds out the harmful ones, and creates an environment where your digestive system can flourish. Studies published in the Journal of Dairy Science have shown that kefir improves digestion, reduces bloating, and even helps the gut recover after a course of antibiotics. Kefir replenishes what was lost, ensuring your digestive defenses remain strong. But kefir doesn't just stop at digestion. Probiotics in kefir have been linked to stronger immunity, better absorption of vitamins and minerals, and even improved mood because of the gut-brain connection. In fact, research suggests that probiotic-rich foods can increase serotonin activity, the neurotransmitter often called the happy hormone. Now, you might wonder, what if I'm lactose intolerant? Interestingly, most people tolerate kefir better than milk. That's because during fermentation, the bacteria consume much of the lactose, making it easier on sensitive stomachs. Kefir is also versatile. You can enjoy it plain, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a base for salad dressings. Just be sure to choose unsweetened kefir. Added sugars can undo many of the gut-healing benefits. So if you're looking for a daily drink that restores balance, strengthens your immunity, and nurtures your microbiome, kefir is truly a gift to your gut. 3. Ginger tea. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most powerful. And one of the simplest drinks you can add to your daily life for gut health is ginger tea. For thousands of years, ginger has been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to treat digestive problems. Today, modern science has confirmed what tradition already knew. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerol, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When your digestive tract is inflamed, it can feel heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable. Ginger works almost like a gentle massage from within. It relaxes the intestinal muscles, helps food move more smoothly, and reduces gas buildup. This is why ginger tea is often the first thing recommended for nausea, indigestion, or motion sickness. Research published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology shows that ginger helps stimulate gastric emptying, meaning it allows food to leave the stomach more quickly. This reduces that sluggish, heavy feeling after meals. Another study found that ginger can significantly reduce nausea, even in pregnant women and those undergoing medical treatments. But beyond soothing discomfort, ginger has a long-term benefit. It helps lower inflammation in the gut lining. Chronic inflammation is one of the key drivers of digestive disorders, such as gastritis, reflux, and irritable bowel syndrome. By calming this fire, ginger gives your gut a chance to heal. Making ginger tea is simple. Slice or grate fresh ginger root, steep it in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, and enjoy it warm. Some like to add lemon or honey for flavor, but the healing power comes from the ginger itself. If you suffer from frequent bloating or indigestion, drinking a cup of ginger tea after meals may become one of your most comforting daily habits. It's natural, inexpensive, and safe for most people. In short, ginger tea is not just a soothing drink. It's a natural therapy for your digestive system. 4. Kombucha. Over the past decade, kombucha has become a popular health drink around the world. But what exactly makes it so special for the gut? Kombucha is made by fermenting tea with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, often called a SCOBY. During fermentation, the tea transforms into a probiotic-rich, slightly sour, and naturally sparkling drink. Here's where the magic lies. Kombucha is full of probiotics, organic acids, and antioxidants. The probiotics repopulate your gut with beneficial bacteria, while the organic acids, such as acetic acid and gluconic acid, help suppress harmful microbes. This creates a balanced environment in your intestines, allowing the good bacteria to thrive. A study published in Food Microbiology found that kombucha can reduce the growth of harmful pathogens, while encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. But kombucha doesn't just help digestion, it also supports detoxification. The organic acids and natural enzymes produced during fermentation help the liver process toxins more efficiently. This is why many people feel more energetic and lighter after including kombucha regularly. For those who struggle to give up soda, kombucha can be a wonderful alternative. It satisfies the craving for something fizzy, but without the harmful sugar and chemicals that destroy gut health. Of course, it's important to choose kombucha carefully. Many store-bought versions are loaded with added sugar, which defeats the purpose. Look for raw, unpasteurized kombucha with low sugar content, or better yet, brew it at home if you're comfortable with fermentation. A glass of kombucha a few times a week is usually enough to experience its benefits. It doesn't need to replace water or herbal teas, but it can be a refreshing and gut-healing addition to your lifestyle. So if you're looking for a drink that both detoxifies and restores balance, kombucha is a sparkling gift for your digestive system. Finally, let's look at a drink that many people know for skin healing but often overlook for digestion: aloe vera juice. Inside the aloe vera plant lies a gel packed with nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and a compound called oxymonin. This compound has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, enhance healing, and support healthy gut bacteria. For people with conditions like acid reflux, gastritis, or irritable bowel syndrome, aloe vera juice can be incredibly soothing. It works like a cooling balm on the inside, reducing irritation, calming the burning sensation of reflux, and supporting the repair of damaged tissues in the gut lining. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Traditional Chinese Medicine found that aloe vera juice significantly reduced symptoms of acid reflux, such as heartburn and nausea, without the side effects of conventional medications. That's powerful proof of how nature provides safe solutions. Another benefit is its prebiotic effect. Aloe vera contains certain sugars called polysaccharides, which act as food for beneficial gut bacteria. This helps strengthen your microbiome, which in turn supports better digestion and immunity. Of course, aloe vera juice must be consumed carefully. It's essential to choose a product labeled pure and safe for drinking, without added sugars or artificial ingredients. Start with small amounts, about 30 to 50 milliliters per day, and see how your body responds. Larger amounts can sometimes act as a laxative, which may not be suitable for everyone. Aloe vera juice can be sipped on its own or mixed with water or fresh juice to dilute its strong taste. Many people find it most effective when taken in the morning, before meals, as it prepares the digestive system for the day. So while most of us think of aloe vera as something for burns and skin irritation, inside the body it offers the same gift: calm, cool, and gentle healing for your gut. And there you have it, my friends. Remember, small daily choices add up, and even just adding one of these drinks into your routine can make a difference over time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It really helps support our channel. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these gut healing drinks are you most excited to try? Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.